Welcome to the world of ALP astrology. Change is the only constant. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. This is Nitya Shankar, your ALP astrologer. Before I begin, I offer my pranams to our ALP Guruji, Shri Podudai Murthy. The focal question in every man's life is, when will I be happy? When will I succeed? When will my lucky time be? Will I get married? Will I have children? Will I buy a house? The questions are endless. Akshaya Lagna Pathadi has precise and pointed answers to these questions. We will now understand how ALP helps find answers in life with the aid of an example horoscope. This is a horoscope of a client who lives in Kumbakonam. The natal Lagna is Cancer. The Akshaya Lagna is Aquarius. The current Dasa is Saturn Dasa and the current Bhukti is Jupiter Bhukti. The Akshaya Lagna point is travelling through Dhanishta, third quadrant. D9 is indicating at Libra, the ninth house, to ALP. The ALP Lord is Saturn. The ALP Lagna point Lord is Mars. The Sun is positioned in ALP itself, which is Aquarius. In Pisces, we have Mercury and Ketu. In Taurus, we have Moon. In Virgo, we have Rahu. In Sagittarius, we have Jupiter and Saturn. In Capricorn, we have Mars and Venus. Now, when we consider the ALP Lord Saturn, he holds the lordship of the first house and the 12th house. The first house denoting the natal and the 12th house denoting expenses or losses. We see that the Saturn is positioned in Sagittarius, which is the 11th house to ALP. The 11th house is considered to be a beneficial space. Now, when we consider the ALP Lagna point Lord, which is Mars, he holds the lordship of the third house, which is the house of efforts, communication, and the 10th house, which is the house of business, work. We see that the Mars is positioned in the 12th house to ALP. 12th indicating the house of losses. Though the 12th house is Capricorn and Mars has its peak power in Capricorn, since it's the 12th house to the ALP, it is not a beneficial space. This indicates losses and expenses or losing the business at this point of time. With just the 2 points, that is the Lagna Lord Saturn and the Lagna point Lord Mars, and their respective position in the horoscope with reference to the ALP Lagna, we can understand the reason why we have this client visiting us, his questions in mind, and we also know the answers to these questions. ALP is that simple and precise and indicates the exact issues and its solutions. Now, when we look into the horoscope and checked with the client, he wanted to know if he can sell his business because he is under tremendous pressure and incurring losses and is unable to run the business. So when we look at when this problem has started, it has started when the ALP has shifted to Aquarius and when Dhanishta third quadrant D9 is indicated. This is in January 2021 and it continues till February 2022, but it doesn't end there. Dhanishta fourth quadrant will also give the same stress and pressure to the client. So we understand that the only solution to this problem is he is selling away the business in the running condition to another person so he can get at least some amount of profit amongst so much of loss. Though Mars is powerful in Capricorn, he is unable to help the natal because 12th bhava or 12th space is supposed to be doing away with the expenses. So, since Mars is strong, it is at least helping him get a small profit amongst so much of loss. Had it been a weaker space, Mars would have made the situation even worse. So we advise the client to sell the business in the current condition to another person and get relieved of the mental stress and make some amount of profit, which is the only solution in the current situation. So this condition, if he continues, will be there till 2023 and he wouldn't be able to run the business anymore. So the wise thing is to sell away the business in as is condition and get relieved of this pressure. So hence this is how a horoscope is analyzed using the ALP method, which is very simple and precise and gives to the point solutions, acts as a very practical guide in any case of distress. So if you are interested in knowing more on ALP, visit us at our website www.alpastrology.com. Thank you.